Hi guys, today I want to introduce you Air Purifier by Guardian Technology. The air purifier, first of all, you may want to connect it to the electrical outlet, make sure that there is electricity, and also you may want to put the unit a few centimeters away from the wall because the filter is at the back. So let's get started. First you would want to press the on button, and it will automatically start it with the speed number 5, you can see. So that means it's the highest speed that you can get. And if you want to make it lower, so you can maybe press it once to reduce the speed to 4 to 3, all the way to down to 1 as a sleeping mode. And then the next button is the UV mode. You have to turn on the UV mode in order to uh, have this air purifier to kill the germs. And you can see that the circle is light blue. So if I turn it off, the light is off. So that means the UV is not on. So let's turn it on. And the next button is the timer. So let's say if you want this unit to be automatically stopped on its own, like let's say in an hour, so you just press the timer once to get to 1 hour. So you can press twice to get 2 hours, all the way to 8 hours maximum. So once everything is set, then this air purifier is all set. Another thing that you want to consider is checking the filter. So the filter is at the back. I want to make sure that it's clean, and periodically you may want to change the filter. So here is at the back. Then here we open the back. Then you'll see the filter is here. So all you need to do is just to change this piece, the filter, and then I'll replace it with a new one to make sure that the filter is clean all the time. So this is the air purifier that I want to introduce you, and it is pretty good as not just to purify the air, but also if somebody at home is sick, so it helps killing the germs. So hopefully this air purifier helps to clean the air at home, and you may want to consider to purchase the air purifier. Thank you very much for watching.